Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's often misunderstood but absolutely essential to how we move, feel, and perform: fascia. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just trying to feel better in your body, understanding fascia can completely change the way you train and recover. Fascia is a type of connective tissue, a continuous web that wraps around and weaves through your entire body. It surrounds muscles, bones, organs, nerves, everything. Think of it like a second skin underneath your skin, holding everything together in a dynamic, responsive system. So what exactly does fascia do? A lot more than most people realize. Let's break it down. First, fascia gives your body structure. It holds your muscles and organs in place and keeps them organized. It's what allows your body to maintain its shape and alignment, even as you move. Next, fascia helps transmit force through your body. It connects muscles to each other and helps distribute loads across joints. So when you squat, run, or lift, fascia plays a big role in how that force travels, and how efficiently you move. Fascia also stores and releases elastic energy. That means it's partly responsible for your spring, your bounce, your power. It acts like a rubber band, stretching and recoiling to help with explosive movement. Believe it or not, fascia has more nerve endings than your muscles do. It plays a big role in proprioception, your awareness of where your body is in space. This helps with coordination, balance, and injury prevention. Ever feel tight, even if you've been stretching? That could be your fascia. When it gets dehydrated, inflamed, or stuck from repetitive movement or inactivity, it can limit your range of motion and cause pain or stiffness. Fascia also helps you heal. After an injury, fascia lays down collagen to repair tissue. But if that healing process is rushed or incomplete, it can lead to restrictions, like scar tissue or adhesions, that impact how you move. The good news? Fascia is adaptable. It responds to how you move, train, and recover. When you stay active, hydrate, and incorporate mobility work like myofascial release, stretching, or full-range strength training, your fascia stays healthy, elastic, and functional. So the next time you think about muscles, remember, fascia is just as important. It's the silent partner in every move you make. Take care of it, and your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-based insights, and let me know your fascia questions in the comments. See you next time.